These are Syngoniums. They're also known as arrowhead plants because of the shape of the leaves. They look like little arrowheads. In feng shui, they are said to bring balance to your space because the little arrowheads represents the 5 elements. This thing, it likes humidity, it doesn't like to dry out, so it needs a lot of water, and it needs medium light. It won't tolerate the bright light like the direct sunlight, but it needs medium light in order to keep these leaves pink, because if it doesn't get enough light, the leaves revert back to that green color. These are Syngonium strawberries, really easy to take care of, beautiful, beautiful plant.